Hey guys, ever wondering how you could block ads on your mobile phone without using any ad blocker apps? Well, this video is for you, so I'm going to walk you through how you can do that by updating your DNS settings. So the first thing you have to do is to go over to your menu section, and then you go to your settings, which you have here, and you click on settings, and then you go to your search bar and you type DNS and search. So it's going to pop this up, this private DNS. So what you just do, you have to click on it, and then it brings you here. As you can see on my device now, private DNS is actually off. So you're going to click on it, and then you have to select this radio button, which is this private DNS provider hostname. So you click on private DNS provider hostname, and then you hit on this field here, and you type no ads .libredns.gr. DNS is a public DNS provider that blocks ads on Android. After doing this, you just have to click save. Then you may need to restart your phone to activate this DNS provider on your phone. So just click save and you're done. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, just click on the like and subscribe button. And if you want to get notified about more content I release later, you can just do it to click on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.